Hi there, terrible sound, but I may just have found the most powerful suite of AI agents that will perform every type of task that you want accomplished without having to go externally. This may be the most exciting AI platform out there. This is an introductory video, by the way, so I want to highlight it. In subsequent videos, I'll be testing it out tutorial fashion. Now, it has Runable 2.1. That's more pricey when it comes to credits because it performs better, basically. Then there is Runable 2.1 Lite, which is cheaper and faster. Now, it's fascinating the things accomplishable by Runable. You can get started for free. You have 2,500 credits per month. You also have daily credits. Okay, so what are some of the things accomplishable using Runable? Like I said, very fascinating. But instead of relying on this, using the tooltip here to explain what is possible out of Runable, let's look at the inspiration portal or the explore portal to see what others have done. Okay, so for example, websites, full-fledged websites, full-fledged applications you can build using Runable. And of course, you can remix many of these that have already been built by others. You can edit your thumbnails, your images. You can turn your scripts into entire podcasts. You can create videos such as this. Very highly sophisticated videos for your TikTok, your ads, stuff like that. Now, I don't have very good internet, so but just exciting to be able to relay the existence of this tool. I saw something here like this one. This one is very fascinating. The voiceover is
Hey,
as
welcome
humanistic
back.
as can
I'm
be.
Marin Keats.
Tonation,
Today,
everything. I don't know if I'm
Boardwalk
even
without the bill.
capturing my
Ocean City's
audio.
tram farewell.
I
City
forgot
manager
to
says the trams aren't
set
coming
that up
back
to
this
where
summer.
it captures my audio.
WBOC
But
ran the
from
story about
the
16 hours ago.
the way
With
this
me
is
is Dana
written,
Rupp,
you'll see there is
regional mobility
intonation
analyst
element,
and former Boardwalk
emotional
operations
elements. For
consultant.
example, there is
Dana,
sigh
thanks
here.
for being here.
You need to hear the audio.
Marin, thanks for having me. This is a big one for the
Voiceover of
coast.
this as
Big
powerful as can be.
and
Like I said,
honestly
I'll
a
do
little
tutorials
heartbreaking for
later on
regulars. Tell
featuring
us,
each of the
what does not
capabilities of
coming back
Runable.
mean
But for
practically?
now,
It's both
let me
immediate
stop
and
this.
ripple effect.
Hey, welcome
Just
back.
a moment.
I'm
Okay, for now, that's all that there is for this video. There is a 60% off on all plans as we speak. It's called the New Year's sale. You may want to look into that. But it's exciting to know that you now have all the tools that you will need in one place. You can create full-fledged production-ready applications with no code, those parallax websites with powerful animations, all possible out of this. And check out Runable, by the way. I'm going to invite you using my link in the description. Check it out. And that's about it for this video. This is me documenting my vibe code struggles, my journey in AI basically as a struggler. So no edits to these videos that I make. I just found this and I find it relevant. And this is introductory. I'm referring to this video. There will be subsequent videos on Runable. And that's about it for this video. Stay awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to Vibe Code Struggles. And exhaust the description area. There are a bunch of other productive, free, and paid tools when it comes to AI in the description. Stay awesome. Take action.